Hey guys, what's going on? David Durang here, live from Tokyo. So in today's video, I want to help you with some of the requirements necessary to be able to make it here in Tokyo. So for starters, you don't need a visa if you are an American citizen. Now, there are places around this region that you do, even as an American, need a visa. One for Vietnam. I'm actually waiting for my Vietnamese visa to get approved. I did it like 3-4 days ago. They still haven't approved it yet, so I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. So Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia, these are some of the places, even India, that you need a visa for. So for here, you don't have to worry about that. So on to the next thing. You need to download the My SOS app, which is where you're gonna upload your either your vaccination information or your PCR test, your COVID test. You're gonna do one of the other. If you're vaccinated, you have to be vaccinated 3 times, and then you're good. If not, you're still gonna have to take a test, and it has to be within 72 hours. Look at the beautiful food. Don't you guys want to come here? So you definitely want to make sure you do the COVID test 72 hours before coming here. And that's standard with a lot of places. Even still, you don't have to worry about getting a test when re-entering the state. So that's a good thing. You just need it when you're coming here. So here's another thing. When you download the My SOS app, that's where you're gonna get a different color, and you're gonna get a QR code. So when you actually reach here, that's how they'll determine if you need to see somebody else for help, or it just delays the process of going to immigration. So you definitely want to make sure that you do it. Like when I came here, it was my QR code, and I was yellow instead of green. So I had to show somebody else my COVID test results. Then they gave me a blue card. Then I waited on the line, and then I entered immigration. It wasn't too long, but it was an extra minute where I could have taken a long line to help me clear customs much quicker. So just make sure you do that. Remember to get the My SOS app, put in your information. Make sure it's green so that it makes your life easy when you get here. And then also, once you go into immigration, you're gonna have to fill out a declaration form and a custom form, and they'll have that on the side. You can fill it out really quickly. It shouldn't take too much time. And then before you know it, you'll be here enjoying Tokyo like me. I've been coming here for such a long time. So happy to be back here. In another video, many more videos, I'm gonna share with you about budgeting, places to go, things to see, yada, yada, yada. But I just want to share some requirements to get here.